How low can the price of Bitcoin go? This is the $1,000,000 question right now, and there are a lot of commentators out there telling you that they have got the crystal ball, letting them see into the future to know what the price is going to be. Newsflash, they don't know. But to offer a bit of perspective, Bitcoin has experienced 5 different crashes of 75% or greater over its history. Of course, the past does not indicate the future, but the fundamentals behind Bitcoin have not changed, and Bitcoin has proven its ability to bounce back from the abyss many times. Also worth noting is that every time Bitcoin has crashed like this, there has been a choir of voices saying that this is the end for Bitcoin. Repent now. All is lost. Game over, man. Game over. And that we would never again see highs like the previous highs. Many will say, though, that this is an amazing time. Wishes do come true. You can now buy in at super lows. This is the moment you have been waiting for to buy super cheap crypto. And it is true. The dollar cost averagers doing the long-term play are loving the prices right now. And if you liked Bitcoin at 20,000, you probably should be loving it around 3 or 4. But no matter what your strategy is, if you're holding cryptocurrency you bought earlier this year, then the pain of unrealized gains hurts. Watching all of your dreams slowly slipping away with the plunging market. For what purpose is happiness? The only color I know is red. The only emotion I know, sadness. Have we reached total capitulation yet? Well, we seem like we're getting close. The sentiment from commentators is reaching desperate lows. There has been a disappearance of cryptocurrency YouTubers and cryptocurrency Twitter personalities, and the sentiment from the general audience is one of serious depression. Okay, look, seriously, dudes, dudettes, the comment section has been a rough place recently. I'm here, we're all gonna get through this together, but holy cow. Anyway, besides that, we also have to look at the media and their orgasms over the fall of the price of Bitcoin. Article after article, Buffett was right, it's the end of Bitcoin, millennials are idiots for buying crypto, and that avocado stuff. And of course, we know that somewhere Nouriel Roubini is sitting there with his smug face, well, blasting his load in his pants as he watches the price go lower and lower. Ugh. Okay, Lark, look, none of that answers the question, internet man. How low will Bitcoin go? Okay, so there are many differing points of view on this question. 4K is the bottom, they said. Well, that didn't really work out, did it? 3K is the new 4K, though. 1K might be the bottom, but you need to decide for yourself. With so many people saying that the lows are going down even lower, perhaps that's what we should expect. But Bitcoin does have a way of not doing what you expect it to do. There are so many people who are waiting to get Bitcoin in at a super, super low price, but will it get down there? 3K is certainly interesting due to it being a key reversal moment last September. Also a key big round number, and there has been a lot of chatter that it won't go below 3K. Many investors may try and make a brave stand around the 3K mark, but this is a brutal level, nevertheless, for many investors, but we may be heading on that road. Bitcoin is one crazy game. You really need to think counterintuitively. Following the crowd is often a dangerous strategy. What will be the exact bottom number, and at what time will we see that exact bottom number for the price of Bitcoin? Only one creature knows the answer to this. The Bitcoin rat. And I keep asking him, but he won't tell me. Bitcoin rat, are you going to tell the nice folks in the audience what the price of Bitcoin is going to be tomorrow? You're not going to tell them? Well, why not? God, what a jerk. Anyway, We have seen big volume recently as those psychological barriers of the big numbers, 6 and 5 and now 4K, have all been passed. But there will be a point when there are too many buyers looking for that sweet, sweet, cheap Bitcoin, and there will not be enough sellers to meet that demand and who are willing to give it up. But another interesting thing that I do find about the volume getting so high recently is who the heck is selling their Bitcoin at these super cheap levels? There seems to be a total panic as investors are rushing to the door, taking any price that they can get in order to get out at a massive loss, or perhaps hoping to buy in at a lower price later. I do get the feeling that we are certainly nearing that total market capitulation point. But at some stage, FOMO will kick in as investors see the prices moving up, or the prices get so juicily, sweetly low that it creates a strong reversal. Heck, Bitcoin is even trending on Google again. And look, I know it's probably mostly people who are out there Googling when bottom or what is causing the Bitcoin crash. But at least people are talking about Bitcoin. Guess I'll take what I can get when I can get it. But let's look at the big picture here. We are still doing very well overall. Volume is still good. The infrastructure has not disappeared. One Bitcoin is still one Bitcoin. And one thing is for certain, if you think that you know what Bitcoin is going to do, then you are probably wrong. Hold on to your butts, everyone. This roller coaster ride is far from over. Thank you so much for watching the episode. I would love to know your thoughts on when bottom for Bitcoin down below in the comment section. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. You can hit that bell to stay up to date with what is happening in crypto. Come and join the conversation over on Twitter. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.